So in this video, you'll learn how to use the inbuilt compass on your Samsung Galaxy phone. To do that, you're going to navigate to the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select Display. Under Display, you'll then look for the option Edge Panels and you'll tap on it. And then from here, you're going to select Panels. Next, look for the panels that is labeled Tools and you want to select it to add it to the Edge Panels. Once it's been added, you're then just going to close the Settings app and you're going to bring up the Edge Panels. Then you're going to keep swiping until you get to Tools. The first tool that you'll see is the compass itself. However, if you don't see that, then you're going to just tap on these three dots and then select Compass. From here, you then need to calibrate the compass. So you're going to tap on Next and then just move your phone around like this. And you'll notice as you're doing so, it will have said calibrating compass. Once it's successfully calibrated, you can now start moving your phone around and you'll notice the compass is following your movements, which means that you can now use the inbuilt compass on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you feel as if the calibration wasn't correct, you can always just tap on Calibrate again, do the same motions as you move your phone around, and then you can now see you've successfully calibrated your compass. And so now you can even check the longitude and latitude underneath your current location, so you have those right there listed for you to observe. And so that's how you can use the inbuilt compass on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.